What is daguerreotype? The daguerreotype was the first commercially successful photographic process, 1839 to 1860, in the history of photography. Named after the inventor, Louis Jacques Mandé Daguerre, each daguerreotype is a unique image on a silvered copper plate. In contrast to photographic paper, a daguerreotype is not flexible and is rather heavy. The daguerreotype is accurate, detailed, and sharp. It has a mirror-like surface and is very fragile. Since the metal plate is extremely vulnerable, most daguerreotypes are presented in a special housing. Different types of housings existed: an open model, a folding case, jewellery. Numerous portrait studios opened their doors from 1840 onward. Daguerreotypes were very expensive, so only the wealthy could afford to have their portrait taken. Even though the portrait was the most popular subject, the daguerreotype was used to record many other images such as topographic and documentary subjects, antiquities, still lifes, natural phenomena, and remarkable events. European daguerreotypes are scarce. They are scattered in institutional and private collections all over the world. Many aspects of the daguerreotype still need to be discovered. They can help us to understand the impact of photography on Europe's social and cultural history. Now, of course, we can take photos of anything we want, anytime, instantly. Thank you, Daguerre and Niepce, for your role in making Instagram possible. Please subscribe to Purushotam Academy for more videos.